Hello my dear students, this is Akash SD and welcome to the ASD physics classes. So students, I know you all are doing very good and very super and your preparations are just going like a jet speed. Okay, so I am here to just help your preparation. So students, today we are going to learn the topic diode. Which diode? PN junction diode. We will not learn the theoretical way. Today we are going to learn some basics, and after that we are going to solve the questions based upon PN junction diode. Okay, so I know you know very well actually this topic PN junction diode belongs to the chapter semiconductor electronics. Okay, so I will just tell in a crisp way. In a semiconductor, what happens that we have intrinsic semiconductor or pure semiconductor, okay, like germanium, silicon and all that. But what happens that this pure semiconductor is having its conductivity very low. So to improve the conductivity, we will add some trivalent impurity or pentavalent impurity to increase the conductivity somewhat. Okay, so when we increase the conductivity by adding this what I told you, impure atoms and all that, then we get the extrinsic semiconductor. And how many types of extrinsic semiconductor is there? Two types of extrinsic semiconductor is there. One is N-type semiconductor, in that we will add pentavalent impurity, and another one we have P-type semiconductor, in that we will add a trivalent impurity. Okay, so what happens that when we have the P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor, but still their uses are very limited, then what we do, we combine both of them, and when we combine both of them, we get a very new device, and the name of the device is what? The name of the device is the PN junction diode, or normally we used to tell the diode also. And how this diode is different from the normal resistor? What happens in case of normal resistor? Current can flow in both the directions, maybe left to right or maybe right to left, no problem, when it is connected to the battery. But in case of diode, what happens that it can conduct current in one direction only. No? But in another direction, what will happen that here it will not conduct current, or if it will conduct also in a very small amount, in the order of the microampere. So what we understood overall, we have understood that the diode is the which device? Unidirectional device. Okay, so that's why we can connect the diode in two ways. One is the forward biased and another one is the reverse bias, and that we are going to learn by the diagram here. Okay, so students, just see here please. Now a diode is represented by what I'm telling, the diode. Which diode? PN junction diode. It is represented by this way here. Okay, this way here. So what happens that here this is the P side and this is the N side, and here I have just given the name here. Please see this one here, point A, and this is here point B. So please understand very well in forward bias. In forward bias, what happens that this P side is connected to higher potential and N side is connected to lower potential. In the short way, when the diode is forward bias, what will happen? If in case here potential is VA and here potential is VB, then what we can tell, this VA minus VB will be greater than 0, or we can tell, this is a mathematical way, but I told you very well, forward bias means P side high potential, N side is the low potential, so forward bias here. So if I draw the diode equivalent circuit in a forward bias, so how it look like here? Here please, here. This is the diode in forward bias. We will connect one battery, now that is called the barrier potential, and one resistance also here. Now this is side A and this is side B. So this is actually the diode. This is the diode. Okay, and please remember that here this is called the forward resistance of the diode, and that is the barrier potential here, VB. So what happens that if in case the diode is a germanium diode, which diode I'm talking about here? The germanium diode here, not germanium, not pure semiconductor, germanium, and in that only we have added the impurities and all that. So in this case, this barrier potential is used to be 0.3 volt, and in case of silicon, what happens that this barrier potential is used to be 0.7 volt. Whenever we are solving the question, then what will happen? They will give some resistance when the diode is forward biased. But if in case the diode is a normal diode, then what happens that this resistance is used to be very, very small. Okay, and if we talk about the ideal diode, which diode I'm talking about here? If I talk about here the ideal diode, what will happen that here? Ideal diode, normally they used to give the ideal diode only. This VB will be 0 volt. Okay, 0 volt, and this RF is used to be how much? This RF is used to be 0 ohm. That means we can tell this diode is just replaced by which circuit? This diode is just replaced by short circuit here, like this. Remove the diode and just make it short circuit. Okay, so this is which diode? This is the here short circuit. Oh bhai. So here the diode is the which bias? Forward bias. This is the situation for practical diode, and this is the situation for which diode? Ideal diode. Ideal diode here. Okay, and here we have talked about which one? Here we have talked about the which one? Here we have talked about the forward bias. After that, what happens that if in case the diode is reverse bias, in case of reverse bias, what will happen that here? See here, please here. I will write here for reverse bias. If in case this diode is reverse bias, then what will happen that here this P side will be connected to low potential and N side will be connected to which potential? High potential. That means we can tell in a mathematical way this VA minus VB will be less than 0. Then in this situation, what is there? The diode will be which bias? The diode will be reverse bias. And please remember that one thing, in case of reverse bias, what will be there? The resistance of the diode will be very high in the order of the mega ohm. And this breakdown voltage is also used to be the very high. In case of germanium diode, it used to be the 25 volt. And in case of silicon diode, it used to be the 35 volt. Okay. So, mota moti, you just remember that one thing. When the diode is the forward bias, ideal diode, what will be there? Resistance 0 and no barrier potential. When the diode is the reverse bias, resistance is very high. That means we can write here, this diode will act as which circuit? This diode will act as open circuit. Now, this thing at least you have to remember that here. Okay. So, if in case you are very good enough in all these basics and all that, that means we are ready to solve the questions. Okay. So, students, now we are going to solve the questions after learning all these basics and all that. Okay. So, let's come to the questions, dear students. So, here you can see the question came in a NEET 2020 exam. And what is the question? Just go through it. Out of the following, which one is forward biased diode here? So, here we have the 4 options and we have to identify which one is the forward bias. So, what I told you, forward bias means first what we'll do here? Here, whatever is connected to P side, that I will give the name here A. This is P side A. This is P side A. This is also P side A. And whatever is connected to N side, this I will give the name here B. Here also B, B and B. And what I told, forward bias means VA minus VB greater than 0. So let's check here please. Here, if I do VA minus VB. Now, so VA minus will be what here? 0 minus minus 3. I will just write one time. 0 minus minus 3. How much coming? Plus 3 volt. And that is greater than 0. That means the diode is which bias? Forward bias. That means in the first step itself, we have got the answer. That means anyhow, let's check the other one also. Here if we do VA minus VB, just check it here. VA minus VB. Minus 4 minus 2. So how much it will come here? Minus 2 volt. Which bias? Reverse bias. If we see the next one here, here also VA minus VB, how much here? Just check it here, VA minus VB. 2 minus 5. So it will come here, minus 3 volt. That means reverse bias. And last one here. Last one also just check it here. VA minus VB. And here again how much here? Minus 2. Minus 2. So it will come here, minus 4 volt. That means here also diode is which bias? The diode is reverse bias. That means what is the correct answer? The correct answer is the option 1 that we have got in the starting itself here. Okay, very simple. VA minus VB greater than 0, forward bias. VA minus VB less than 0, reverse bias here. Okay, now after that we'll go to the next question here please. Let's see here. This question came in a JEE 2024 exam, just recent exam. So what is given? The value of net resistance of the network as shown. Okay. So here, what is there? We have the diodes and all that. And here, these values actually, the values are not there. Just let me see the values, please. No? Just let me see the values. I did not write the values actually. No? So just let's take here, no problem here. Let's take this is 5 ohm. This is 6 ohm, and okay, let's take, I have taken this is 2 ohm here. No? Okay. So what will happen that here again? Students, just see here again. See here. Now here what will happen that here this point A and point B concept is the somewhat, it will be outdated. So we have to just see very basic. So you can say here, this P side diode, this P side and this is N side, this is P side, this is N side. So compare please here, out of minus 6 and minus 8 volt, which one is the higher voltage? So we can tell this is the higher voltage and this is which voltage? This is the lower voltage. No? Or higher potential or lower potential. So you can see here P side is connected to higher voltage, N side is connected to lower voltage. That means this diode is which bias? Forward bias. And here also you can see this what is there? This is the P. This is P, and just 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So now let's take here. This is the N side here. So here what is happening that here? This N side is connected to high and P side is connected to low. That means this is which bias? This is reverse bias. So again I'm telling here. Just let me change the color here, please. So here what is there? This is the reverse bias, and this is the which bias? Forward bias. So what will happen that here in this situation? Let's see now here. Now this one will be replaced by short circuit. This one will be replaced by the open circuit. So let's draw the diagram now here. Now the diagram is here. Now I have just taken the values like this, 5 ohm, and here 6 ohm. Now like this, and after that here 2 ohm. And this diode is which one? This diode is open circuit here and here like this here. Now high potential, let's take A, low potential B. That means you can see very well here. Now if any time current is flowing also here, this is I, this is I1 and this is I2, and in this current will not flow. That means we can see very well these two diodes are connected in parallel. So what we can get here, the equivalent RAB equal to formula R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. That means we can write here 5 into 6 by 5 plus 6. So what will come here? 5 into 6 here, 30, and here by 11 ohm, 30 by 11 ohm here. Okay. So students, what is the correct answer here? The correct answer is here the 30 by 11 ohm here. Okay. I hope so you have understood very well this question. Now JEE 2024 question. Now students, next one please. See here please. This is also JEE 2024 question. What is the question here? Let's say here, which of the diodes shown correct bias used for measurement of dynamic resistance here? So please remember that here when we want to measure the dynamic resistance, the diode should be which bias? Forward bias. Now so let's say here which diode is the forward bias here. See here please, this is the P side, this is N side. So P is connected to positive and N is connected to negative. So this is the forward bias. That means this one will be used for the dynamic resistance. Other diodes and all, just see here please here, this diode here. Here we can see that here actually what is there, here we are using the capacitor. So what will happen that here, this diode cannot be used for the dynamic resistance because this is the reverse bias here. Okay. Here also just see here this P side is connected to negative. Now so here also this diode is which bias? Reverse bias. That means this also we cannot use it here. And actually let's see this diode here. Now I think so little bit here some problem is there in this. This will be not be like this. Now just let me just put here. Yes, I will just rough this here. No, this no, okay. So see this here, what is there here? I will just connect here like this here. No, let's take here 7 voltage there. No, like this kind of option is there. So here also what will happen that here again this P is connected to negative. So this diode is also which bias? Reverse bias. So what is the correct answer here? The correct answer is here option 1. The basic is what? The diode will be in a dynamic resistance when the diode is which bias? Forward bias. Okay. Yes. Great. Now next one is students, here very easy question, came in a NEET 2016 exam. What is the question? Let's go through. The value of current flowing through AB is. Now so here what is given here? One diode is there and potentials are there. Now you think and tell me this diode is forward bias or reverse bias. So see here please here, plus 4 volt minus 6 volt, which potential is high? Plus 4 volt potential is high. That means here we can tell this is the high potential. Which potential? High potential. This is which potential? Low potential. That means diode in which bias? The diode in a forward bias. Let's take this name is A, this name is B. Just draw the equivalent circuit here. No? So I'll draw the equivalent circuit here. Diode is forward bias here. No? So here 1 kilo ohm. Diode forward bias means which circuit? Short circuit here. And let me write here. This is A, this is B. Now, so current will flow in this direction. The current will flow from high potential to low potential here like this here. Now, so what to write here? I equal to, it is given by VA minus VB by R. Now, so just put the value here. VA how much? 4 minus VB how much? Minus 6 by resistance how much given? 1 kilo ohm. So see here please here. What will happen here? 4 plus 6 10. 4 plus 6 10. So 10 by 1 kilo ohm means 1000. 0 0 cancel. So what will happen? 1 by 100. 1 by 100 how much here? 10 to the power minus 2 ampere. Is it? So which option is correct? The correct answer is option 3. Is it? Now I hope so you are understanding very well about the diodes. Okay. Now students, let's move to the next one here. The question came in a NEET 2012 exam. What is the questions here? The current supplied by the battery is 2012 question. So here again we have to just think here. Now see here please. In this what is happening that here actually here the The battery, actually I did not write, just let me think what can be the voltage actually. Anyhow, this is a plus, this is minus, so this diode D1 is going to be which bias? Forward bias. Now, and this one, this diode D2 is going to the reverse bias. So why? Because here P side is connected to high potential and here N side is connected to high potential. This is forward bias, this is reverse bias. That means what will happen right here? Let's see here. Here this diode forward bias, that means short circuit. This diode reverse bias means open circuit. So just let me draw here. Now this diode short circuit D1. Now just draw the here value 10 ohm, and this diode open circuit. Now like this, whatever value is there does not matter. And here what is there? Here one battery is there. Battery is there. Okay, let's take. I'm going to just take the battery. Let's take. I'm taking 5 volt. No, 5 volt. 5 volt I have taken here. No, 5 volt I have taken. So what will happen that here? Anyhow, the current will flow. How? The current will flow only through the which resistor? 10 ohm resistor. So this is I. Here also I, and again it will come back I. Now, so what will happen that here? Very easy. The current is given here. Battery V by R. That means 5 by which resistance? This 10 ohm resistance. So 5 by 10. Answer how much? 0.5 ampere. Which option correct? The correct answer is option 2. Okay, very simple. Diode P side connected to high potential, positive. Diode P side connected to low potential. What is there? Reverse bias. Now, forward bias, reverse bias concept. Next one. See here, please, dear student. Last question. What is there here? The current in the circuit is. So here what is there? Here they have given VB equal to 0.5 volt. Now, so here this diode is the which diode? This diode is the not ideal diode. The diode is here. Which one? Practical diode is there. So just we have to draw here the equivalent circuit here now. See here, please. This is the 0.5 volt. And here what is there? 3.5 volt. And like this here. Now, and one resistance is there, 100 ohm. 100 ohm. Then what we can tell here, the current? Very easy. See, this 0.5 volt in opposition, that means very easy. 3.5 minus 0.5 by 100. That means it will come what here? 3 by 100. Is it? So if we will convert into the milliampere, that means multiply with the 1000 milliampere. Then this 0 cancel. How much coming current here? 30 milliampere. How much current is coming? 30 milliampere. Is it? So students, I hope so. Mostly all the questions are completed. Only last question is pending. The last question is there. This is a NEET 2015 question. Very simple here. This is point A. This is point B. And we have applied this supply here. So what will happen that here? When minus 5 volt will come, that time what will happen? This A will be plus and B will be minus. That means diode will be what? The diode will act as short circuit here. Like this here. No, reverse happen. See here, please. Reverse happen. Minus is there, na? Minus. So just 1 minute. Here. This A will be negative and B will be positive here. Now because minus 5 voltage there. So what will be the diode? The diode will be open circuit. No? The diode will be open circuit here. Open circuit. No? Open circuit here. And here supply is there, AB. So when the diode is open circuit, do you think you will get any output? Any output will be there? No output, because here open circuit is there. After that, what happens that here? Let's take for example, when this plus 5 volt will go. So in case of plus 5 volt, what will happen that here? In case of plus 5 volt, what will happen that here? This A will become positive and B will become negative. That means in this situation, the diode will be short circuit. Okay. And here we will get the some output. Now this is the resistance here. So here what will happen? We will get the some output here in this situation. That means if we have to get the voltage, which voltage we will get now? Minus 5 volt will be tripped and this plus 5 volt will get. That means output will get like this here. Now 0 volt, 5 volt, 0 volt. Okay. So students, you can see that here we have solved the multiple questions based upon the diode. Okay. So if you have just understood all these things, just like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.